Dear student, welcome to my YouTube channel Science Vision with Bhandekar sir. Dear student, today we start one topic here of this chapter, that is a gas pressure or an atmospheric pressure. Here we call liquid and gases are the fluid. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, या चॅप्टर मधला आपण एक न्यू टॉपिक चालू करतोय, that is gas pressure or atmospheric pressure. You know here that is gas and liquid are called fluids. You know why they are called fluids? Because they have tendency to flow from region of high concentration to the region of low concentration, or they have tendency to flow from high level to the low level. Hence you know they are called fluid. And look here, before this video lecture we can complete one topic of, that is a pressure of liquid and pressure of solid. Here today we study the gas pressure there. Dear student, you know that is gas can exert equally pressure to the all directions here. If that you know that is any room is there, our classroom, why our classroom having the windows and ventilations? What is the reason here? Because that air which is present in our classroom, it should strike to all, just total four walls of the classroom, and you know that strike to all these sides and exert the pressure on all direction of that classroom. Hence to pass out the such type of air, hence our classroom having the windows. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आपल्या वर्गखोलीला खिडक्या असतात. याचं कारण काय? आपण मोठ्या खिडक्या ठेवतो कारण त्यामध्ये क्लासरूम मधली जी एअर आहे ती त्या ठिकाणी पास होणं गरजेचं आहे. Because that air means it is the gas. You know, air is a homogeneous mixture of different gases. And look here, that air can exert the pressure, creates the pressure to all direction of that classroom. Here you know that is all gases are fluids because you know they have tendency to flow from one place to another place. Means gases gets flows from one place to another place. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, गॅसेस जे आहेत ते एका ठिकाणाहून दुसऱ्या ठिकाणी फ्लो होतात. and look here, if that gases gets enclosed into a one container, ते जर एखाद्या सिलेंडर मध्ये जर भरले, then look here, look towards the diagram. For example, here one container or metal cylinder, and that gas can be filled into this metal cylinder. Hence you know these particles of gases can move randomly everywhere, and they should be strike to all sides of the container and creates the equal pressure to all direction and all sides of the container. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, जेव्हा आपण गॅस एखाद्या कंटेनर मध्ये किंवा सिलेंडर मध्ये भरतो त्यावेळेस त्या गॅसचे पार्टिकल्स हे त्या कंटेनर मध्ये, सिलेंडर मध्ये सर्व दिशेला मूव्ह होतात. That is called a random motion of gaseous particle. Random motion means they can move to every direction, आणि ते जे पार्टिकल आहेत ते त्या कंटेनरच्या किंवा सिलेंडरच्या सर्व बाजूवर जाऊन आदळतात. Hence these particle can exert or create the pressure to all directions equally there of the container. And you know here one important point or one important characteristics of the gas pressure, that gas can exert the pressure equally to all directions of the container in which they can be filled. म्हणजे गॅस पार्टिकल हे त्या कंटेनरच्या सर्व डायरेक्शनवर प्रेशर अप्लाय करतात ज्यामध्ये हे गॅसेस पार्टिकल जे आहेत ते फिल्ड केलेले असतात. मीन्स यू नो दॅट इज कॉल्ड अ प्रेशर एक्सर्टेड बाय गॅस, or that is called a gas pressure. Means the pressure exerted by gas to all directions of the container in which they can be filled, and that is called a gas pressure. Look towards this diagram. Please write the notes in your notebook and draw the diagram in your notebook. This arrow to the different direction that indicate the random motion of that gaseous particle. हे जे या ठिकाणी arrow आहेत वेगवेगळ्या दिशेला, हे त्या गॅसेस पार्टिकलची रॅन्डम मोशन इंडिकेट करतात. व्हॉट इज इन बाय रॅन्डम मोशन? मीन्स दे कॅन बी मूव्ड टू एव्हरीवेअर everywhere to the different direction, that is called a random motion. Then here atmospheric pressure. What is in by atmosphere? विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आपल्या पृथ्वीच्या भोवती एक हवेचं आवरण आहे. We call air. And here air is a homogeneous mixture of different gases. Like air contains naturally oxygen, carbon dioxide, then nitrogen, then water vapor and other miscellaneous gases, rare gases. Means percentage of nitrogen is very high, then oxygen, then carbon dioxide, then water vapor and other gases. Means air is a homogeneous mixture of different gases there, and around the earth that is a layer of air is present, and that layer of air around the earth is called atmosphere. म्हणजे विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, एअर सराउंडेड द अर्थ टू ऑल साइड्स. म्हणजे पृथ्वीच्या सर्व बाजूला हवेचं आवरण आहे. And look here, this a layer of air around the earth called atmosphere. म्हणजे पृथ्वीच्या भोवती जे हवेचं आवरण आहे त्याला आपण ॲटमॉस्फिअर म्हणतो. Means the layer of air around the earth is called an atmosphere. And dear student, look here, that atmosphere or air create the pressure on every object which is present on the earth. For example, our body is there. On our body that atmospheric pressure is very high there. आपल्या डोक्यावर आपण जर एखाद्या मैदानामध्ये उभं राहिलो तर आपल्या डोक्यावर एक ॲटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशरचा एक खूप मोठा कॉलम असतो. and just is equal to 10 raised to power 7 kg. A very high atmospheric pressure on our head, but no any effect of such atmospheric pressure on our body, because our body pressure can cancel the atmospheric pressure. म्हणजे आपल्या बॉडीवर सुद्धा एअरचं प्रेशर किंवा ॲटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर आहे, परंतु त्याचा कोणताही परिणाम आपल्या बॉडीवर होत नाही. याचं काय कारण, तर आपलं बॉडी प्रेशर हे ॲटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशरला कॅन्सल करते. मीन्स इन दिस वे हियर द ॲटमॉस्फिअर एक्झिस्ट्स अबाउट 16 किलोमीटर अबाउट द हाईट, above the earth's surface, from the earth's surface above the 16 kilometer above the earth's surface, that is atmosphere is there, a thick atmosphere is there. But you know here from the earth's surface above 400 kilometer, that is the dilute atmosphere. Above 16 kilometer up to the 400 kilometers, that is a dilute atmosphere, a very thin atmosphere here. An atmosphere exerts a pressure on each object on the earth surface. म्हणजे atmospheric pressure हे earth surface वरच्या प्रत्येक ऑब्जेक्ट वर असते. And look here, Pascal, P-A-S-C-A-L, Pascal, PA, we indicate PA is a unit of pressure or atmospheric pressure. And look here, in this way, that is the topic of, that is gas pressure or atmospheric pressure. Dear student, it is necessary to write total notes in your notebook of gas pressure and atmospheric pressure and draw the diagram, and the diagram which are given in your textbook of 8th class science, the diagram also draw this all diagrams in your notebook and write the notes. Dear student, it is necessary to make a self study during this lockdown period. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, या लॉकडाऊन पिरियड मध्ये तुम्ही सेल्फ स्टडी करा, आणि सेल्फ स्टडी जेवढा तुम्ही वाढवसाल, जेवढा करसाल, that is better, very very better for you. Means in this way, here we complete the topic of this gas pressure and atmospheric pressure. Tomorrow in a next video lecture we can start one topic of buoyant force. आपण नेक्स्ट टॉपिक मध्ये, नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओ लेक्चर मध्ये आपण buoyant force हा टॉपिक शिकणार आहोत. buoyant force हा टॉपिक आपण चालू करणार आहोत. Hence, dear student, please watch my all videos of 8th class science and to learn more carefully there to total syllabus of 8th class. Hence, you know here, To learning a total syllabus of 8th class and watch my all the videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel, A Science Vision with Bhandekar Sir, and watch all my videos of science of 8th class there. And thanks for watching my video.